If you're new to St. Louis Community College and would like to learn how to register online, access your Blackboard or email accounts, you'll need to set up your MYSTLCC ID password, and we'll help you with that today. As an STLCC student, you can use your MYSTLCC ID to access online resources to do a number of things, including register for classes, make payment, set up a payment plan, view your course schedule, view financial aid records, view grades, contact instructors, and view course information and instructions. To access these accounts, Banner, Blackboard, and student email, you'll need your MYSTLCC ID and need to set up a new password. To access this, you'll need your A number or student number. Open your web browser and go to www.stlcc.edu. Click on MySTLCC in the black box in the upper right-hand corner. On the right-hand side of the page, there is a list of buttons. Click on the first button marked Get Your MYSTLCC ID. The first thing we need to do is access your MYSTLCC ID. So start with clicking that first step in the list in the center of the page, Access Your MYSTLCC ID. On the next page, enter your A number, last name, and date of birth. Be sure to use all 4 digits when entering the year. The next page will display your MYSTLCC ID, your current password, and your student email address. It's important to make note of this information before moving on. The next step is Be Smart, change your password, so click on this link. This next page is a reCAPTCHA. reCAPTCHAs are used for the safety of your privacy and security. Type in the word or words and use the mouse to click on the Submit button. Pressing the Enter key will simply clear the entry and give you a new reCAPTCHA. Just enter the letters as best you can. No need to try to type accents which occur over some letters in the reCAPTCHAs. On the next screen, you will enter your MYSTLCC ID and your current password. If this is the first time you are changing your password, your current password is your A number followed by the pound sign. Be sure to use a capital A when entering this information. On the next screen, you will be creating your new password. Before you start typing, read through the instructions. The new password must be at least 10 characters long and no more than 16. It must contain at least 3 of the following character groups: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a digit or number, or a special character. If you don't normally type in Chinese or French, don't worry about international characters. They're not required. They're just an option for meeting that requirement of 3 different character groups. Note, you may not use your name, username, or part of either. For example, if your name is John Doe and your MYSTLCC ID is JDoe999, you may not use the letters O and E together. Once all the red dots have changed to a different color, green or gray, you may proceed to type your new password in the box marked Confirm Password. Once you have successfully changed your password, you should proceed to set up your security questions. You can do this by clicking on the link available once you have successfully completed your password change. You will be asked to log in using your MYSTLCC ID and your new password. Next, you select the first of 3 security questions. As you choose your questions, keep in mind that you might not look at these for a year or longer. So you want to choose questions that will have the same answer today as they would a year from now. The answers must be at least 4 characters long. So if Mom's middle name is Ann, Lee, or Joy, don't choose that question. And sorry if your favorite band is U2 or your favorite movie is E.T. Once you've completed each of your 3 security questions and answers and clicked Finish, you are done setting up your MYSTLCC ID. Congratulations, your new password applies to Banner Self-Service, Blackboard, and student email accounts.